Hello guys, namaste. This is Venus Lata Amita, your digital coach, and welcome back for exciting editing. Today we will learn about some more background settings and all these. So, are you ready? Without wasting time, I am going to share my screen. Yes, this is our video which we are going to edit, and I have cut out all the unnecessary part from my video, so you can see here some small pieces of videos, which is the part which we will use in our video. Guys, today's session will be very interesting because we will work on the double role editing, right? So make sure to watch till end. It will be very exciting. Okay, in this video, guys, this person is a manager of a company, and the same person with the different costume is the employee of that company. We have to edit this video for double role. Okay, we will tag this session at later. Okay, we'll start from this. This is the second part of our story where the single role is playing on. So firstly, we will learn about how we can change the background. As you know that in our previous session, we have learned that how we can remove the single colored background from our video. Now I want to change this background, and this is the scene where this employee is running on a path and he got a call from his friend. So I need a road background for this video. So to get my background, what I will do, I will go to the Google and I will search here for the background image. Road background images. Like that I have searched and I get these options here. I will go to the images section and I will scroll and search for the best option for my video. Actually, the person was walking on a village road, so I'm searching for a road look like a village. Or I can add this. Yeah, yeah. When I add exact term, I will get the exact image. But in my video, the person is walking horizontally. So I need a horizontal road. So I can write here village road horizontal. Maybe I will get the exact image that I want. Here I got the horizontal road, so I can use this also. This is also a good option, I think, isn't it? But it's look like some animated image. The previous one was the original. So we can use this. So before download this, you can watch this detail of image. If it is a paid image, then you should not use that image, but we can use this one as well by using save as. While saving your image, you should check about the extension of your image. It should be JPG or PNG file. And now I'm going to my Wondershare, and now I will import the media file that is road background JPG. Okay, so this will come. Before going to that background, I want to introduce these video track and the audio track here. You can see that this is the track number 3 of video. Actually, by default, your base video will be there in track number 1, but we have to remove the background and we want to change the background of our video. Then that your background video or image should be at the track number 1. So I have shifted my video to track number 2 or track number 3. If you want to add any video track up or down, then you can add video track, add audio track by clicking on that. Okay, by clicking on right click, you can delete the selected track also. My video is at track number 3, and my background image I have dragged and put it here. If I place my header here, but you can see that this background image is smaller than my video canvas, so I have to put this image here so that I can change the resolution or change the size of that video. When we move our cursor to this point, this will be an arrow will appear on both sides, and after that you can click on the left button of mouse and drag the image so the size will be resized. Now this is fit to my video background, so I will again shift at the base layer. So now it looks like that. So looking good. In this way, you can change the background of your video. Now I am giving a brief summary quickly. This is our base video. To remove the plain background, we will go to the video tab. After that, AI tools, and after that, chroma key. we will enable the chroma key, and after that we will choose the background color from this color picker. In this way the plain background will be removed from your video, and after that we have placed a background image according to the scene in your video. Place that image or video at the bottom layer of your base video. Now you can see that this video will be look like that.
हाँ हेलो, कौन बोल रहा है?
हेलो, हाँ मैं राजीव बोल रहा हूँ. सुनील, पहचाना मुझे? In this way we can change the background of our video. Guys, I think you get the process to change the background of your video. Isn't it so easy? Like that, scene by scene you can change the background as well. Okay guys, so in this video you found that how you can change the background of your video. So practice on it, and we will meet with the next topic in our next video. Thank you. So till now, guys, we have learned about how we can change the background of your raw video, how we can cut our raw video and select a useful part from our video. In our next session, we will learn about how we can add an effect to our video, how we can add music to our videos, and don't forget about that double roll editing as well. So stay connected and stay tuned. Thank you.